Pupillary distance is extremely important to know before you order your glasses. Follow these 5 steps to measure your PD by yourself. Step 1. Print the Payne Glasses PD measurement tip sheet. The tip sheet contains a special ruler that will help you measure your PD. Visit the link in the description or go to our website to download and print the tip sheet. After you have printed it, make sure to check your driver's license against the key at the bottom. This ensures your printer did not shrink the image when printing. If the size doesn't match, adjust your printer settings and reprint. Step 2. Stand at least 8 inches or about the length of the PD tip sheet away from the mirror and hold the center of the ruler over the bridge of your nose. Step 3. To measure your right eye's PD, stare straight ahead and close your left eye. Note the millimeter mark on the ruler aligned over the center of the pupil. Step 4. To measure your left eye's PD, stare straight ahead and close your right eye. Note the millimeter mark on the ruler aligned over the center of the pupil. Step 5. Repeat this process at least 3 times to ensure you have an accurate measurement. Well done! Now you have what you need to order your new glasses from our website. We hope this educational video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call us today.